this metal, this head, its mirror is matched with this mirror, and this mirror is matched with their mirror. There will be a tube head, this mirror. This is from the second tube. This one is used Zeci brand. And how to recognize the Zeci brand? There is a code. You can scan it, and there will write clear Zeci brand. It's a power, and there is a special place. This is the setting for tube, and this red one is for protecting the You see, there is a screw for the line. All the Zeci brand tube is use screw line to touch, and also this head. You can see this is for contacting. You just need to put the screw on it. Electric line on the screw, then connect. And there is a tube. We will put a label there to let you know which tube is for water in and which is for water out. We will have a label on it. You see? Water out. This is it. So you can see this metal tube. This is the Yongli metal tube. Yongli metal tube. It's there is for factory code. Let me show you. Its power is right here. Oh, it's too narrow. You cannot see clear. It's a 280 watt Yongli tube. And the Yongli tube, how to install? This is for the line. You just connect it, and therefore for water out and water in. We will have a label for you to know. And this place is for the laser light out. This laser light out to this mirror, and this mirror will go to where? Let me show you. Go to this mirror. You can see. There is a hole. There is a hole for the mirror out to this mirror. Then it will go to this mirror. In this place there is a mirror. Then its mirror reflector too. Here this place will be a focus lamp, and then out light. There is a notice. You know this is a narrow height for metal cutting and non-metal cutting. This narrow is different because this hole is different. This is only can cut for on-metal material, and this for cutting metal and on-metal, both is okay. Why this customer choose a double head? Because he want to save the metal tube life. use a smaller power tube to cut a metal. Then he can save the metal big tube life, because the tube life is according to the use frequency, using time. If you often use this metal tube, its life will not be very long, as not used very often. This place is this is a control main board. You can see this is a restart. This is used for when you adjust the light. When you push it, it will be lit up to 1 point. Original is for resetting. Max power, speed, frame. Frame is for so you cutting its frame, cutting picture frame. Menu, file, stop. If you either up and down, this place can be used. Z. This is used for the gesture number. This is off and on. This is stop. And here is so that when you using, when you cutting, it will show. It will show. And this is for touch height control main board. Usually customer no need to adjust here, because we have already setting it. Control. This is a touch height controller thinner. So this what's in this this. Okay, this customer have bought the machine with up and down. What is up and down? Up and down is mean the machine with the 4 screw. There is this is table. This one is a table, and there is up and down. So the step motor use the belt, so it can up and down. Container. Let me show you the this place is for the electronics. There is a control main board. You can see this machine have 2 control main boards, the black and the blue. The blue one is for the metal cutting. Let me show you. This is a radar system. Radar system is most popular in China now. And this is for a metal. Here is a voltage power supply. Motor driver. This is for electric filter. And this is for cooling. This is for the power supply. You do not need to worry about the connecting. We will if you buy this machine, we will send you the files for connecting in details. Because this machine power tube is very big, so we will suggest you use the chiller with CW 6 surround. Let me show you if there has the chiller. Find this. This is for oxygen bottle. when you cutting metal, you will use this oxygen bottle. You see, oxygen bottle will, if machine is for metal cutting, all the machine will install this one. This one is for adjust the air. Oxygen. Only when you cutting metal, you will use oxygen. When you cutting on metal, you can use air pump or air compressor. This is not finished, they will install here. This place also can open. Power supply. This one is for the bigger tube power supply. That one is this is for the metal power supply.